Hi everyone, this is Isaac Pravimal studying in 8th class from B. Ram Sridhar Reddy International School. So today I am going to explain about social project, that is industries and industrial revolution. So first, before discussing what is industry, first we will discuss about example. So we will get smartphone from a shopkeeper, and shopkeeper buys smartphone from a distributor, and distributor bought smartphone from a manufacturer, and manufacturer make that raw material in industry to into smartphone. So from that we get a smartphone. So now what is industry? An industry is a group of organizations involved in producing or manufacturing or handling the same type of product and service. So here industry is a when a group of people joined together to form a organization, and then they will work on manufacturing or producing to get same type of service or product. So if they get like that, so then that is a industry. So now industries are part of the secondary activity, or manufacturing converts raw material into products or more value to people. So secondary activities is also known as manufacturing. So if a raw material is converted into, they will make the raw material into any product. So if that product is more valuable to persons, so then that is called secondary activity. So here industry refers to economic activities concerned with the production of goods, extraction of services, and provision of services. Here industry is also performed in economic activities like production of goods, extraction of products, and product or service. Here next, industrial revolution. So in modern history, the process of change from an agrarian and handicraft economy to one dominated by industry and machine manufacturing. In modern history, this process means agrarian means agriculture, and handicraft means the materials which made from manually, means which made from a person or human beings. So if the change of agriculture and handicraft is a two economics, if that change into one dominated, so by industry or machine manufacturing. So in modern history, this is the process they will make. This process began in Britain in the 18th century, and from there spread to other parts of the world. This process is first began in Britain, and in 18th century slowly other parts of the world also developed this process. So now we will discuss about types of industries. First, raw material. For example, food processing, dairy products, cotton textile, paper, furniture, and fish oil. Raw material is divided into four types, that is agro-based industries, mineral-based industries, marine-based industries, and last one forest-based industries. So, agro-based industries means the raw materials which obtained from animals and plants is called agro-based industries. For example, food processing, dairy products, milk and plants and woods, etc. Now, mineral-based industries. Here, the raw material is taken as a mineral ore. So, for example, iron ore, steel, copper, aluminium, etc. So, next, this marine-based industries. So, here, if a raw material is obtained from seas and oceans, then it is called marine-based industries. For example, fish oil, prawns, and fish food, etc. Now, next, size. So here we will how much money is invested on employee count or worker in that based size is taken. For example, small scale industry and large scale industry. Now ownership is divided into 4 examples: private sector, public sector, joint sector and cooperative sector. So this is my project. Thank you.